Banana and Courtney show. This video is for all of you creepers out there who have been requesting another burping video
and sending
creepy messages and commenting about her burp. This is for you. You creeps. I'm just kidding. No.
For all you fans.
For all you fans, we love you.
Thank you for supporting us.
Thank you for supporting our Banana and Courtney show. This one.
Yeah, that pretty much
That was
settles
for
it.
you. That settles the whole intro right there.
Yeah. Enjoy our video.
Enjoy.
Let's do our burping contest video. Oh.
No, see. Gay.
Yeah. Okay.
See, I can't. I don't burp. That's not my thing. Holy crap. How can I not burp at all and you're like a man or something?
Because you like pink, that's why.
That's it. That was the best. Because I like pink?
Yep.
Wait, let's make
Girls
it
who like pink can't burp. And that's why you suck at Guitar Hero too.
I'm good at Guitar Hero.
I'm easy.
Yeah, see, I can't.
Lame.
That stunk so bad. Mine are like baby.
That was like the biggest one you've done.
I know.
Yeah.
See, I can't. I'm a loser.
Lame. My tummy's starting to hurt from all the soda. Oh, I'm gonna get.
Why don't you like? It's making me like lightheaded. That was weird. Ew, it's that was like the biggest burp and it was really quiet. It was like, oh. And it was stanky.